We are back here to learn French together. We're on basics. Still, this is the last lesson before we get that crown and jump to basics. 2 crowns, whatever. I really need a solid foundation in my French. Oh, ready to level up. Okay, let's do it. That's why I'm here. That's why we're here. I want to level up our French abilities. Let's review an exercise. The exercise you missed. Okay. Une fille mange. I put A last time. So, une fille mange un croissant. You could say that. Une fille mange. Oh, whatever. Okay, continue. A woman is eating an orange. So, une femme mange. Is it got an S though? Une femme mange une orange, but which mange is it? I'm gonna say no S.
Mange.
Une orange.
Orange.
Please don't get it wrong. Oh, victory! Man, don't forget to breathe. Okay, let's keep going.
Tu es un chat.
Tu es
Tu
un
un
chat.
Chat.
You are a cat? Are you a cat? A woman is eating. Une femme mange.
Mange.
Wait. No S. I don't know when to put the S. So
Une femme mange une orange.
Une femme
femme
mange une orange.
Orange.
All right. Flying. I only got 2 hearts left. I can't screw up. So, you are eating. This is new. What's this? Vous mange or mange with an S? Let's go with Z because
Manger.
manger. Vous is new in this Duolingo course.
Un chat mange un croissant.
Un chat mange.
chat. Mange. Un croissant.
Un chat mange un croissant. So a cat is eating a croissant. I see that every day. Un chien mange une pizza. Okay, hold on a second. Uh-oh. So does the mange with the S go to the chien or the pizza? So this is where I'm going to learn. I'm just going to say mange because it's a chien and it's not a person. I don't know. If I fail, I know it's the S. I got it right. So un chien mange une pizza. So it goes to the person or the thing doing the manging. Okay.
Un homme mange.
Got it. I think I got it. Un homme mange. Un homme mange.
Mange.
I want to put the S there. Okay. Oh man, this is tougher than it looks. I'm sweating inside my head, man. Un chien mange et tu manges. So
Mange.
I can feel the thistles inside my head scraping the inside of my skull. Oh, tu manges
Mange.
et un chat mange.
Mange.
Perfect. Da-da. That's the first one. We got our crown. We got our crown. So we got our basics down of level 1 and 2. We got 4 more to go on the basics 1. Ah, the irritating commercials. I'm kind of glad that it's Duolingo commercials and not all the other loud ones trying to sell me a car or something, you know. Unless they say une voiture, you know. Say it in French at least or something. No, I'm not gonna. Oh, I pressed continue. Level 2. Power up. So we got 4 more. Oh no, 3 more crowns and a treasure chest. Okay. We're going for it. Let's do it. I got 2 drinks. What is that? Congrats, completing level 1, double XP and lessons for the next 15 minutes. Come on. Quit making me wait. Let's jump right into these next lessons. I want double XP. Oh. You know what? I need that heart because I have a feeling I'm going to die. Sorry, guys.
Got business receipts?
Here,
Snap them on the fly with QuickBooks Mobile.
Let's
They're
do a quick
stored
review.
safely and categorized automatically.
Une mange. No. Je mange une orange. I'm eating an orange. Un chat mange un chien. A cat is eating a dog. All right. We're using our vocab. All right, let's get to that free heart. There we go. I don't want to buy a car or whatever that
Chat.
ad was. Chat is a cat.
Chat.
Chat. I needed that heart, okay? Fearful of this next level.
Un chat.
Un chat. So, a cat. Bring it, bring it. We know what that means. A
Un garçon.
un garçon, a boy. I gotta type in English. Boy. You guys like the background music? I don't know if it's too. It's kind of soothes me, calms me down. You know, I get excited sometimes. Gotta be calm. A cat and a boy. So un chat.
Chat. Garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. Cat and a boy.
Un homme et un chat.
Un homme et un chat, so a man and a cat. A man and a cat, un homme et un chat. I can type English. A boy. Un garçon.
Garçon.
Un garçon. Oh, why is this little key thing here? Type the French translation. Oh, okay. No, I like clicking the bubbles. It's faster. Wow, that guy's a little
Un
too
chat
happy.
et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. A cat and a boy. Type the English. A cat and a boy. Un chat et un garçon. A man, un homme.
Homme.
An homme.
Un chat et un homme.
They need to get rid of that text-to-speech one. This sounds so boring. It's like, oh, a shot in I can't even talk like that. I'm so distraught from her voice now. A cat and a man.
Un homme et un garçon.
I guess that is kind of like real life, though. Like this. You meet people like that sometimes. Un homme et un what?
Un homme et un garçon.
Et un garçon. I got that. A man and a boy.
Un homme.
Un homme. A man. Un homme et un garçon. So, un homme et un garçon.
Garçon.
A cat and a man. So, un chat. Une chat? No, un chat. Un chat et un homme. Whoa, we missed one. Un chat et un homme, right? Feel a little bit safer with that heart there in the stash. A boy and a cat. So un garçon. Oops, with a C, G-A-R-C, squiggly thingy, C-O-N. Un garçon et un chien. I wonder why they don't say chat. Oh, it's a waste of a letter, you know? Don't want to get double? Woo! 30! We're going to beat those guys, and there's a contest happening right now. Oh, good. The audio is off. Okay. Wonder if they get paid for that or something. So look, this is the contest. I'll take you guys over here. Don't stop now. Where is that contest? Streak freeze. Wow. Does anyone actually buy those gems? Oh, I'm on an XP boost. We got to jump back in. Quit wasting time, man. Whew. We got 9 minutes to blast through this lesson. Don't make any mistakes. We're not watching any videos. I.
Je.
Bring it. Go. A woman and a girl. So, une femme
femme,
et une fille.
fille,
Oh, this is relaxing. What?
une,
Une.
une,
Une. Got it. Je suis un chat.
chat,
Je suis un chat.
Je suis Marie.
Je suis Mary. Mary needs a nap. I am Mary. Is that how you spell her name? M-A-R-I-E. So, un garçon et une fille.
une,
A boy and a girl.
Une fille.
Une fille. A girl. A girl.
Une femme et une fille.
Une femme et une fille. So, a woman and a girl. Alright, I think I'm pretty fortified in this beginner level here now. I am Marie. So, je suis Marie.
Marie.
Marie. Une fille
Fille.
et un chat. Oh, that's it. Okay.
Une femme.
Une femme. So, une femme. Une femme. Why? My brain just snapped. What happened? A woman. Une femme. I don't know why my brain shut off there. Like, get back.
Une
Come back.
femme et un homme.
We need those points, man. Une femme et un homme. So, a woman and a man. Am I supposed to be typing in English? Une femme et un homme? I'm supposed to be typing English, right? Okay.
Je suis une femme.
Je suis une femme. I am a cat. Right. Right. Je suis un chat. Okay. I am a man. Je suis un homme. Oh, I can breathe again. Wow, they're jacked over this lesson. Come on, double my points. Perfect. Are we beating those other guys yet? There was some lady that was ahead of me. I got a slot. I don't know what we get. I hope we get like some gems or something. Maybe it'll give me a year of. Oh, there we go. Radical commands climbing the ladder. What? They must be doing their lessons right now. They were only at 144 last time. Ooh. Top 10 in the Bronze League. Okay. So, oh, this guy, Oscar passed Lydia. Lydia was at 144 last time. All right. Can you send like a poo-poo thing to them? Oh, turn that off. All right. See you guys in the next lesson, man. I'll be back.